Welcome to our demonstration of Sage Intacct Construction, the only native cloud construction financial management solution from the preferred provider of financial applications by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. In this video, we will explore how Sage Intacct Construction can help construction companies streamline processes and improve profitability. The personal dashboard displays real-time metrics that are relevant to your role, so you can monitor your daily activities. Combining various components, these dashboards are easy to customize based on your security privileges and can be copied and shared with other users as needed. Performance cards offer quick insights into key metrics. They allow you to drill down into deeper detail to help drive data-driven decision-making. You can use standard financial graphs or create custom data visualizations, which can be added to a personal dashboard or displayed independently. As a native cloud solution, Sage Intacct Construction is accessed from a web browser on nearly any modern device with an internet connection. Automatic updates ensure you are using the latest and greatest with the most current features and functionality available. Security settings determine what information each user can access to keep the data you need at your fingertips and the data you don't out of reach. In this example, we have access to all business entities or companies. However, in this tab, we are logged in as a project manager with access only to information concerning the jobs we are responsible for. Here, we can see only two of the other entities, but when logged in as the CFO, we have full visibility across all business entities, including those in different countries with different currencies. We can also open data for another business entity in a separate tab, allowing us to work in two different business entities at once. At the top of the drop-down list, we see an entity titled Top Level. Underneath is a list of all other entities we manage. Each of these entities can be managed independently, or we can share the data and attributes with some or all other entities if needed. This multi-entity structure allows us to establish a common vendor or customer file, or even a general ledger chart of accounts at the top level. We can then share those files with other entities, which allow us to eliminate duplicate accounts or any conflicting information. This also allows us to automate key intercompany transactions between related entities, which can help expedite month-end close. By setting up a table of the general ledger accounts containing the due to and due from relationships between various entities, the system automatically knows when resources of one entity are charged against another entity. Sage Intacct Construction will automatically generate the appropriate journal entry for each entity involved. This automated intercompany accounting feature helps generate current and accurate consolidated financial statements on demand. Sage Intacct customers have reported a reduction in month-end close time of up to 50%, in addition to 40% efficiency gains in accounts receivable and accounts payable processes. There are several intuitive ways to navigate the features of Sage Intacct Construction. Navigation by menu items allows us to visit the main menu, then a submenu, and even another submenu to find the features we need and explore the system more fully. We can also learn to navigate the system using the process map, which provides graphic instructions of the steps to carry out certain tasks. This star here shows us the favorite features we have saved, making it easy to navigate directly to those we use most frequently without having to click through a series of menu options. To add features to our favorites list, we simply find them on the dashboard here and click the star icon beside them. This allows us to personalize our account and streamline workflows with instant access to the key features we need. Similarly, bookmarks take us to the tasks we have worked on, such as a recent job or record. Bookmarks simplify the search for recent or routinely accessed records without having to scour the system for the record you need. By allowing you to save a report for future use, bookmarks help you save time and effort by ensuring you won't have to go back and start from scratch each time. At the top of the dashboard, we see a row of filters. Dashboards can feature a date filter and 3 additional filters known as dimensions, which we will examine in greater detail later. Dimensions define the who, what, and where of the story. This allows us to filter our dashboard view by specific location, job, or customer. Sage Intacct Collaborate speeds up internal communications, allowing information to be shared with other users in real time, and keeps everyone up to date with the latest project developments. Collaborate is an internal messaging and notification system for all system users. By seamlessly integrating with Salesforce and email accounts, Collaborate allows us to stay within one system to find the information we need. Each collaboration feed can be tagged to an accounting transaction. For example, this collaboration feed shows a string of messages relating to a missing interim lien waiver for an invoice. Clicking this link, the system takes us directly to the invoice transaction. The bottom of the invoice displays any associated collaboration messages and documents attached by the sender. As we enter this invoice, we notice there is no attached lien waiver, so we send a Collaborate message to our colleague asking him to call the subcontractor and request it. Upon receiving the lien waiver, he replies with a scanned image of the document. We can now open the lien waiver, verify it, then take the invoice off hold and mark it as paid. Collaborate empowers us and our other users to work more efficiently across the entire organization, regardless of role or location. Using this innovative forum for shared insights, expertise, and new ideas, we can now carry out our roles with better efficiency. Reports are perhaps the most powerful time-saving dashboard component within Sage Intacct construction. As a result of the associated gains in efficiency, Sage Intacct customers have been able to devote as much as 75% more time to activities such as business analysis and strategy. Over time, companies generate many standard and custom reports. When opening the top-level entity, we see a number of key reports which provide us with real-time information on important metrics. Here we can see a standard financial report which shows a profit and loss statement across a 12-month period. We can print this report, export it to Excel, or email it directly to the desired recipient. We can also drill down for more detail if needed. Let's say we have a query about utilities and facilities. Following this link tells us more about one of these transactions, or a group of transactions, by displaying who the vendor was, when it took place, and so forth. We can change the general ledger account, edit this transaction, and repost it if we have the security rights to do so. If not, we can send a message to the CFO via Collaborate if something needs to be corrected. Dimensions allow us to tell the story of a transaction. With 12 dimensions available in Sage Intacct Construction, we can easily customize each transaction to meet specific requirements. Our previous example shows department and location as key dimensions, but we can also add an employee dimension to see which employee might be responsible for any errors. The general ledger account number is an important element of a financial transaction. It allows us to classify the transaction in the general ledger as an asset, liability, revenue, or expense. But this only tells us part of the story. It does not tell us who it was for, what it was for, or even where it occurred. Sage Intacct Construction has 12 dimensions that can be easily customized to meet specific reporting requirements. They can be used to classify accounting transactions as they are entered, allowing for a simplified, modern chart of accounts. The reporting tools in Sage Intacct Construction allow us to create custom reports which give us an overview of the key information that we, our colleagues, and stakeholders need to see at a glance. These include the Financial Report Writer, where users can create and edit standard financial reports such as income statements and balance sheets, and Custom Reports, which analyze or highlight key business metrics such as revenue or expenses by project. These tools also include the Custom Report Writer, which provides a step-by-step guide to building custom reports. Finally, we have the Interactive Custom Report Writer, designed for users with more advanced report writing skills to bring advanced business intelligence capabilities to transactional analysis. Sage Intacct Construction combines the proven Sage Intacct platform with over 40 years of experience serving the construction industry. This native cloud solution helps users navigate the complex demands and nuances of construction financial management, enabling you to make better informed decisions, keep stakeholders advised, and increase the overall value of the business. For a customized demonstration or to learn more about Sage Intacct Construction, please get in touch with our product team.